Okay, slight change of pace. We're going to do light-hearted comedic backing music. So playful, quirky side of music is what the brief says. So highlighting humour, mishaps that might be going on in a TV show, characters stumbling their way through a clumsy moment, stuff like that. Musically, we've been given the guide of pizzicatos, strings, marimbas, ukulele, anything sort of bouncy, catchy. Maybe some syncopation in there as well. Keep it unpredictable and whimsy. It's going to be quite light, and we're going to have some effects in here as well. I'm going to come up with some sort of structure for the first phrase. And remember, in these first sessions of composing, what I like to do is build up a bunch of layers that will eventually give me the ability to split things out and structure them in part two. So I'm going to have a think about some sort of melody chord change first, and I'll be right back. Right, so we've got a little chord sequence going on here. It is just C, and then we've got E flat in the bass, but a C minor shape above it. Then we've got C over E and an F. And then if we want to finish, we use a G augmented, which sounds like this at the moment. So that's got some syncopation, some bounce. I think I'm going to split this out into some pizzicato strings, see what that sounds like, and put in that funky bass. Right, so I've had a little bit of a play around. We've got a bass doing a nice bit of funky rhythm there. We've got Albion Neo pizzicato strings A, and played all the notes. Then I tried splitting it out into violin 1, 2 and violas from BBC SO. Had to pull the notes back slightly because of the transients in BBC SO. We put the bass in as well. But then I also put these ones back in as well, and it sort of glues things together a bit because they're an octave lower. Quite liking that. Now we need some maybe marimba. Who knows? Well, that was a lot of fun playing around with some marimba. This is what I've ended up with. But literally, if I just mute that and duplicate it, you can literally do the C blues scale over this. It's brilliant. Right, time for some more percussive elements. Okay, I did say percussive elements, but I just had to add a little bit of organ as well. But I did then go and find some percussive sounds from Sequis. So we've got this. This is from Sequis as well. And then I found a damage high loop that wasn't too busy, but had some nice offbeat cymbal pings. And to finish things off, I thought, what's more comedy than a tuba? If you're typically doing that, doubling it with a bassoon is quite nice. And then I thought we'll try some flute with piccolo. So at the end, we can get a little jazzy run in there at the end. So there we go for throwing a load of different sound ideas at our brief for light-hearted comedic music. I'll play it through for you now so you can hear what we've come up with, and next time we'll be stretching this out, turning it into a much sparser arrangement that lasts 1:30, 2 minutes. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. See you in the next one.